Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Hey, this is going to be a quick video and something I think you should know. A lot of people that don't know this, but you know how you buy used equipment? Okay, you're buying it for say 60 to 80% of the retail value when it was new for quality equipment. Woodworkers know that. From like this air filtration system to saw stop to all kinds of different equipment that woodworkers have. Now, let's flip the tables. I got a way for you to buy these items for about 25 to 30%, if not less. Hey, so stick with me. I'm going to show you how I do this, and I've been doing it for a long time. This here, I paid $70, and this is like new. Oh yeah. Low, medium, high. Wow. Okay, just looking this one up itself. Like I said, I paid $70 for it, and it's going for used, and that looks kind of pretty used, from eBay, $275. Let's see, another one for now new is $500, well, $499.99. Here's another one for $549, another one for $449. Wow, one for $688. Let's see, $499. Refurbished, they can go down to like $349. Yeah, so, and I paid $70. This thing's like new. All the filters are like great shape, like they've hardly been used. I'm going to show you a few more of these. Then I'm going to show you exactly how I did it. You can do it too. Now that we're in this, I wanted to go over this real quick. This is another take I got that I'm going to show you how to do here in just a second. But I wanted to show you what I got. Okay, let me go ahead and take a look at this real quick. Let's see, I paid about $130 for all this. Okay, so what I want to do is real quickly, I'm going to go over all this stuff. This was hiding behind something. Like the Bessie, it's brand new and still never opened, so hence brand new. Freud double-edged trimmer, Rockler Clampet, and most of this paint is all brand new. We got some cut-off discs. But this is full. This one here is completely full, double stacked. Brand new, still the tag on it, knee pads. I'm gonna need these for doing a floor that I got coming up for you. Okay, these are slide guides that you use for jigs. This is another one from Craig. Look, brand new. These are, looks like Rockler drill jigs. More Vicks bits. These are for shelf pins. I mean, and this is just this right here. There's so much here. Door pulls and hinges. Box full. Quickly, we have another box full of slides. A drawer setup, drawer mounting brackets to set those up from Craig. Looked brand new, not opened. Uh-oh, he must have been hiding this from his wife. Harley Davidson Biker Brew can. And cigarettes. Not a smoker, but yeah, cool can. That's how you hide things from your wife. Where's my darn trash can? Oh, there it is. And I missed. Ooh, looks like a Remington nail set hammer. Comes with all the shells and yep, and a box of nails. Now this is a quick set installation kit. Let's go like that. Holy moly. Right there, baby. Oh my gosh. I tell you what, if you've ever needed to drill doors, this is it. New chuck for the, brand new. For the drill press, I'm going to show you how, how much I paid for. Wow. A bunch of concealed hinges. 1/2 inch overlay. All blooms, 1/2 inch. Right there. Here's another one. All the long sets, otherwise these. And these are, I think those are blooms too. Okay, brand new set of Rockler. They're workbench caster sets that that are adjustable. I like them, I just don't like those standing out because they're ankle killers. We got a ton of, like here, we got Loctite PL3X stronger than ordinary adhesive. So we got a case of the Loctite adhesive, polyurethane sealant, more caulking. Okay, this is just going to give you an idea. There is a lot of it right there that is worth that right there almost is for what I paid for the whole thing. All right, more drawer slides. And these are Nap and Vocht. This one down here is all full of Wadco danishes, oils, and all these seem to be actually mostly full. I'm thinking we did pretty good, but we're not done yet. Okay, here's what I got. It's a Delta 17-900 drill press. It's a 16.5 inch drill press. This thing seems to work really well. Everything moves well. Stout. Came on its own Delta wheel set, so it is movable. Everything looks good. I mean, it really does. These are going upwards of like, I think I saw like $500 to $600. I paid $175 for this. So I'm liking that. One more thing. What I got here is a Woodtech edge bander. Stock number 834842. So let's see what we got here. It looks like it's just been sitting. I don't. Yeah. I think it's new. Wow. Okay. There we go. This one here, very nice. If you do a lot of edge banding, but these are $450 new, and I paid $65 for it. So as you can see, I'm kind of happy with this haul. So I hope I have piqued your interest enough. If you stayed with me this long, do me a favor, give me a thumbs up on this. I'd appreciate it. Hey, and if you would subscribe if you're not subscribed. We're getting to 10,000 subscribers pretty quick here. Guys, I can't thank you enough for being here and watching my videos. It means a great deal to me. And knowing that old people can still be productive.
Hey, I guess they're right. Senior citizens, although slow and dangerous behind the wheel, can still serve a purpose.
I'll be right back. Don't you go dying on me.
Let me go and show you how, why, and my method for doing it. All right, let's take a look. Okay, real quick now, we're gonna go over, I did a big box of miscellaneous nuts and bolts and screws and so forth. Paid $4 for it. I mean, you can't buy it anywhere else like that. Okay, let's go ahead and go on to the clamps. There was 11 clamps here. I ended up getting them for $53.76. It's a great buy. This was a box full of blades, dado blade sets and so forth, $62. This was a great for wood chisels and so forth, $77 for this whole set. and they are really nice, like new. This one here was a rotary tool that I didn't care about, but it was brand new in the box. I wanted the 2 Jorgensens that were with it, and I ended up paying $21.01 for it. Sold the rotary tool for $127 on eBay. Yeah, that's cool. All right, $21.01. Okay, this one here was a Craftsman brand new router set that I paid $19 for this, threw away the Black & Decker, and sold the Craftsman one for $259 on eBay. And got it for 19 bucks. Yeah. I'm just trying to tell you all this. This one here, we paid $27.25 for, and it was I wanted the vise that's in it, but we got this box here that was with it for 27 bucks, but we sold all this old tools here for, it was 121 bucks. I think we sold it on eBay. Now this vise here, at the time that I got this, eBay was selling it for like $210 or $220 or something like that. I'll show you that here in just a sec. $231. Yeah, now it's like $289. So yeah, I'm going to be installing this on our work table here coming up here shortly. Now you can do this as a side hustle, like this. Manuals. I bought Harley Davidson manuals from a shop that didn't get started. There are 62 manuals, all almost brand new. I mean, most of them are brand new, all in the wrapping. And I paid $207 and $157.99 for the bunch. And I made over $6,000 profit. Okay, I'm just showing you this so you know you can do this if you want to. But yeah, each manual was $100 average. So, but you're going to do this. This is many of them, but here is ctbids.com. Now I'll put the link in the description. Let's go try Beverly Hills 90210 and just kind of see what auctions they have. There's just tons of auctions. And, you know, there's so many woodworkers at heart out there that have these tools on here that you can pick up, as I've been showing you. Paramatic tool, whole table saw, the 52-inch wide, is a really beautiful saw. Cabinet saw, and that actually went for $611 on one auction. I didn't get it because I didn't have any place to put it. But like here, we're going to try Boise, Idaho, and 250 miles radius. No results. Here's what you need to do is you want to go ahead and jump onto Google. And with Google, just put in estate sale in your area. There's lots of websites that have this stuff. Just keep checking in your area. Check on Facebook and so forth. Find those auction areas, especially online auctions, because you do not want people to go to the auction prior to get this stuff or to get a view of this stuff. So you can snag it online for a lot less. Okay, time to get this thing installed. Hey, but I just want to thank you all for being here, and hopefully this helped you out. If it did, please give me that thumbs up. I'm really searching for you guys to help me out here. And please subscribe. It's all free. I appreciate it. See you on the next one.